Hi guys, it's Peter and welcome to our channel. And in this video I'm going to talk about my new project. I'm building another VESC XR. Actually, I'm currently working on the two projects. One is a secret one, which I'm not allowed to speak about it and providing any details. And the second one I'm starting about right now. It's gonna be the most affordable VESC XR I ever built. If you saw my previous video, you know I built it few of them already, and they both one of the kind. Here's my monster VESC XR 20S 3-piece with 21700 cells, with super flags, BTG rails, I mean the WTF BTG rails, BTG tire. This thing, it's a really monster and it's a really mind-blowing machine. But it cost me almost $2,000. It's quite heavy due to a battery and motor, because it has a 20S 3-piece. It's 41 pounds. Like I said, it's a really mind-blowing machine. But I mean, I really love it. Don't get me wrong. It's a long-range, fast bomber, which even with myself, 290 pounds, I able to push it 27 miles faster than any other board from Future Motion can be with heavy guy like myself. Anyway, now, like I said, I'm starting building a new project, and that's gonna be the most affordable XR. I thought I was gonna build it brand new from scratch, but then I look at how much stuff I got from my previous build. I said, well, might as well, I should use it. And let's try it, build it the cheapest as possible, or the most affordable one. Well, pretty much the motor is gonna be Hypercore. This motor is from my XR, VESC XR 18S 3-piece. Due to I'm upgrading with Superflux, that board, pretty much motor, I take it out, disassemble it for inspection, because motor has around 3,000 miles. But due to I'm using my boards all year around, and in Alaska we got plenty snow, pretty good amount of rain, pretty much I take it apart to service the bearings, because original bearings after 1,000 miles they've been shot due to a moisture and probably not enough lubrication from factory. Also, I got a set of rails. These rails, I believe I got from a local guy, really nice guy, for a good price. Also, I got a charger, 75 volts. Pretty much this build probably is gonna be 75 volts. Like I said, I'm going with the most affordable possible. Also, I do have a BMS from my previous project, and it's a 18S, a 60 volt BMS. And I'm gonna see, it depends what cells I'm using and what battery box is gonna be. This one is up to 18S, which we will see how it goes. About battery, pretty much I got a couple options. Of course, I may build it battery from scratch, which that's gonna be expensive. And like I said, in this build, it's gonna try to achieve it the cheapest as possible. Also, I do have packs like that, 6S from I believe someone donated those cells to my channel, and they are come from big scale drone. I did cycle it. That's one pack, but I want to show you. I did cycle it. They are pretty good cells still. I mean, in 90% of life remaining, and the Samsung Q30, I believe, cells, 3 amp cells. I use same cells on my range booster on my first VESC XR. It's a 15S 1P. Pretty much this battery, I kind of like it because it's super light, super small. It used to have a belt buckle. You can click it on your belt, and it will give you 50% longer range on original XR battery, which is really awesome. Let's see what we got in this box. Pretty much I got stator, like I said. I mean, I take it apart to inspect it. Very important to make sure those seals, those O-rings, nice and tight. I believe I already swapped it one. I replace it, or both. I replace it with rings from Flow Life, I believe so. And pretty much like I said, rear bumper, front bumper I got, battery box I got, and actually I got two of them. Yeah, one I believe from IXR, and another one I don't remember. I bought or been donated by someone, but it actually CBXR been conversion already done by previous owner. This portion been cut off, which those boxes actually pretty good. In a stock configuration, well, in a stock battery, I believe if you use an 18650s, maximum can fit 20S two-piece, which is really awesome. But like I said, the budget on this project is going to be limited, and most likely it's going to be 18S, since I do have charger already for 18S. Then, well, that's a little reinforcement. Also, I got a lot of screws. Well, little organizer. I keep everything nice and tight. As you can see, I got bunch of screws, bolts, the axle bolts. Pretty much here, probably I got for another 1 or 2 builds. And I got that's original motor cable, which I converted before, but I'm not gonna use it this time. And this is this original hardware cable. Here's my previous build main cable for this box, and this box for little fucker. But the thing is, since I'm not using a little fucker, because it's gonna cost me around $300 if I buy it installed in this box. What I did, I bought so far it's only one part I bought already. That's another controller. Let's see, I don't want to cut myself. And yeah, pretty much like I said, all parts it's mine, used, been donated. But the controller, so like I said, since I don't have controller, I have to buy it a little fucker, or I bought this guy. And this guy is supposed to be pretty good for what I'm building. And if you do have idea or opinion on this controller, please let me know what you think. But for 18S, it's gonna be pretty good. It's a Spintex U-Box, 85 volts, 150 amp. And actually, for I believe it's like $130 plus freight or so. I mean, let's say 150. It comes with, and it's really nice. It comes in aluminum case. It's, a real surprise for that low price. You get in. It looks like it's a pretty good quality, pretty good build. Of course, only time will show how well those controllers been designed. But I'm really surprised it did come with all kind cable. And it comes with a power button. It comes with bunch other cables, which I'm not really sure what they do, where they goes. Of course, when about to install it, I will figure out probably. There's even cable, sync cable from one controller to another to run both controllers at the same time. Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, or is it Bluetooth? Look like has antenna, probably Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, whatever. Yeah, and all other cables. Pretty much for $150, I don't think so you can go wrong with this controller. Pretty much, yeah. A few more parts in this box. Some axle blocks, handle. Yeah. Oh, I even have a the charger port plug. Pretty much like I said, guys. Here I already have almost all parts to build it. The most affordable VESC XR. I'm really excited to start this project. I mean, I'm really excited to start it. I'm really excited to build it. I'm really excited to see which route it's gonna go and what kind of machine I can build it in the end. Because, like I said, fancy machines I already have. Now I need something something dirt cheap one. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. Of course there will be more episodes will become. If you guys do enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.